gonna be a better year this year. What have you done? And I remember the way it used to